So let me go ahead and tell you guys what is going on. So, you know, I took you guys' advice when I made the I'm quitting YouTube video. I basically said, you know, I'm gonna take a break. You know, I really just wanted to just take a break, really reflect on everything, and have some time for myself. You know, my girlfriend Sherelta, we are no longer together. You know, we're still cool. We still talk here and there because I mean, you know, it's that thing of, you know, we've been together for a year, and it's just something you can't just, you know, like let go of the person that's been there for you for a whole year. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm finally feeling better. I finally have that creative mindset again, and wanting to make videos and push out. So I'm going to be uploading basically every day and different things like that. So I just really, y'all is gonna want to stay tuned, guys. I'm really excited. I got school coming up. My boy Dro Too Saucy, me and him are gonna be making videos together. I'm buying external microphones, handheld microphones, because I'm bringing public interviews and all these different things when I go back to school. So I'm telling you guys should be in for a ride. I'm pretty sure this is a long intro or whatever. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and get into this roasting my subscribers ways video. But let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so look, I got the screen recording on right now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pumped to finally, you know, do this right now. So we gonna go ahead, and I'm in my message request. So the people, you know, this is where more the people are at. Let's see what your way is looking like, bro. Alright, Silky, my man, it's Silky. Look at them waves, boy. But like I said, straight hair wavers, I don't know what it is, bro. Like, for us, it's like, our waves look like way much better than what they are, and like reality. Like, if we didn't have the shine to our hair that we have, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm telling you, like, straight hair wavers, we would not be popping like that. I feel like I'm gonna give you a solid 7 because, you know, the crown, you know, I can't tell if it's going beehive, it's going swirl. I can tell that little fork on the right side right there just brushed down a little bit more. But you looking pretty solid, my dude. He just like it. He just liking the haircuts. Look, y'all, I know. Look, if y'all want to see my haircuts on the daily, bro. If y'all want to see my haircuts on the daily, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, 360_woods, because you guys already know I posted all haircuts and different things like that. And like, I mean, I'd be going off on these haircuts. I'd be like, look at this. Like, I'd just be going straight off on these haircuts, bro. Let's see. Okay, bro, these look like, yo, like, I'm trying to think. Like, these look like the waves, like a typical beginner straight hair waver. You know, somebody who's trying to get out of the beginner stage, get more into the elite, because I don't know what it is. I always see that little fork right there. I don't know why, but we always get that fork when we first start out. I think I'm gonna give you a solid 8. It's just that fork is really throwing off your pattern, so you really just need to hit that first in any other area you hitting. Rate, please. I got you, bro. Let's get it. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Alright. Now on this side, I don't know what side of the video it is, but I don't know. When the first side that you turn your head to right there, it looks like you're going more like this when you're brushing rather than this. If you're going for that, I can't really tell what pattern you're going for, mostly because of oh well, you did give me more pictures. Now I'm thinking about it. Okay, more videos. We gonna watch the videos. I'm over here talking. I didn't even see all that stuff. I'm sorry. I love doing that. It's still giving me nothing really to look at. I can't tell if, you know, he's like going 180 because he only shows me the top, bro. So I'm gonna just look at the top and basically rate you off that. So I'm gonna still rate you about a solid 5 because your waves aren't formed in there yet. It's still gonna take a little bit of time. You need a wolf to get that curl length going and a lot of brush work. That's all I really gotta say about you. That's really the only thing that's going, like, that's wrong right now. Man, a lot of people have been trying to like video chat me. Where you cut at, Brody? Oh, I got you, bro. Indy. Hey 360 Woods, bro, your profile, I don't like your profile. I feel like you out here catfishing niggas. That's why you ain't got no photos on your thing. Damn photo. Look, but you got a girl over there with a gun, and the girl looked pretty cute in the profile. You over here catfishing niggas, bro. Oh, I'm not liking how this is looking already. I hope this is, yeah. What the fuck? What is this? This man, oh my God, this man having a whole seizure right now, my dude. Like, he like, Like, I can't even focus on this thing right now, bro. But look, looking at your waves right now, bro, it looks like your crown is a little bit, like, it's not waving up in the crown. So what you really need to do is you kind of want to wolf to get that crown to its curling so you can go ahead and put in some brushwork on that crown, bro, because you need it, bro. You need that crown to wave up. The crown is what's really going to bring all your waves together and it makes it look a lot more elite. Hey, he said, hey, 360 Woods. Oh, hold on. I got you, bro. There we go. What's Gucci? All right. There we go. Send. Now, we going to the next one. All right, going to the next. Wait, what's that song? It was like.
On to the next one. More fish in the sea. Girls are like buses. This one, next 15, one coming.
Okay, I see you with the iPhone 8. I don't even got the iPhone 8 yet. Fuck, bro. Dang. I want the iPhone 8. I still can't see your waves, bro. You turn my internet on. Maybe that'll help. Shit. Maybe my internet, you know, me turning it on would help. I thought me turning it off and use only service would help. Rate my waves, please, bro. I got you, bro. Okay, you flat-headed in that one. And he waved up in that one. Look, your progress is smacking right now. I ain't gonna cap with you, bro. Like, you got the progress right now. Yeah, you woofing heavy right now. Yeah, you woofing heavy. And there's nothing wrong with that. You can woofing heavy, there's nothing wrong with that, Brody. I'm trying to find. So this was May 18, 2000. So May 18. Yeah. Okay. So about a year later. That's some pretty good progress. You still need to get the wolf sessions up and everything like that. But you know what? Looking at your waves, I'm gonna give you a solid 7. You didn't really show me too much. I want to see that overhead view. Like I want to see you, you know, getting in there. I want to see the angles. I need the angles. We need to get them angles. Okay, we gonna see how they look then, Brody. 360 line. I've seen him. I think I saw him follow me. You messed up your hair a little bit when you took off the do-rag. You gotta make like the epic unrag, bro. And you got a hair sticking up. He pulling the alfalfa? Oh, you can't post that on bro. You posted on your timeline too, bro. You got that hair sticking up like alfalfa, bro. I think I'm gonna rate you. Ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. This is. Not to hurt your feelings, bro, or nothing like that. It's just I'm not really seeing any waves right now. Like, I'm seeing a couple. That's why I'm going to give you a solid 4. But, hey, you also got the alfalfa. You got to make, like, the most epic unragging experience. You feel me? Like, let me show you how to unrag real quick. Hold on. By the way, don't judge me, I just washed my hair. So yeah, that's how you basically unrag. I had to show you guys how to unrag real quickly. Like, don't judge me, my waves ain't popping like that right now. My waves ain't popping right like that right now, but hey. It's just only because I washed my hair. I ain't put no product in. I ain't put nothing in there right now. Today, literally, I just washed it. It's still, like, drying right now. And this internet! I'm trying to tell y'all, this internet ain't no joke out here, bro. Like, what is going on? Ah, here we go. Yo, what's up? Rate me. I got you, bro. All right. Oh, we got another unragging. Let's see if he did it right. I already gave the 101 on it. Okay. Okay, we got a look like a coarse hair waver in the building. All right, he in there. Look, he's a beginner. He's a beginner, but he in there. All right, like you see it. But I'm gonna give you a solid 7 because I see the work. I see the work in there. I see what you're trying to do, but you still a beginner. So we're gonna rock with the 7. Rate me 360J. Top is looking good. I can tell you woofing heavy because you ain't got no type of tape or nothing. That boy just hairy on the back of your neck, bro. But I give you. Go back to this picture. I give you a solid 7 too because it's only a top. I'm not really seeing any waves on the sides and the back. It's okay. You just need to put in a lot of brushwork and he the wolf. I know what you could tell. I can tell you know what you're doing. It's just, you know, you need more time to do it. You know, waves, they take time. You're not gonna get them in a day. All these videos, waves in a day. It's all clickbait basically to get y'all to click on it. To be honest, I thought about doing it too. All right, 13-week wolf though. He said, "Am I wavy?" And are you wavy, bro? Holy freaking snap, bro. Like, yo, hold up. Hola. Yo, you look like you 12 years old, bro, but you spinning, though. I ain't gonna cap. Holy snap. Yo, tell me that these don't look like, bro. My stuff is laggy because the internet right now, but bro. Oh, I see the fit, though. I see the fit. He got the little bag going across. I see the fit, bro. I'm gonna give you a solid 9 because I'm liking how your waves is popping right now, bro. You got the depth in the waves, you got everything. The connections are starting to get there. I see you, bro. I scalped, but I'm gonna be back better than ever. I'm gonna show you my 13-week progress, bro. I like that. I like that. He like, yo, like I scalped, motherfucker, but yo, I'm coming back harder than ever. I like that shit. I like that. But he scalped. Dang, bro. I remember how sad that was, bro. Help me. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh, I know you had to be sad. And you can still tell your crown is still trained, bro. Like, look at this dude's crown right now. Yo, I know you was sad, bro. Like, yo, if y'all got the time in the day, go ahead and go on Wavy Chris's Instagram. Go ahead, pump this dude up. You know, give him some motivation. You know, as Straight Hair Waver community, we all gotta help each other. And I feel like as a community, we gotta motivate each other. So you know what? Go ahead on Wavy Chris's and go ahead and just give him a little words of motivation. Like, just keep grinding, bro. Don't stop. You know, keep pushing. You know, just to get some motivation. Cause I feel like this dude has the mindset that he wants his waves to be better than ever. It's gonna happen. Yo, bro, I'm getting waves. It's been a week now, and this is the result. What you thinking, bro? What you thinking, though? Any tips for dandruff? Also, UKG, bro. All the way from UK, bro. Like, when y'all be like, yo, a shout out from here, shout out from there. Y'all, I'll be wanting to go ahead, get a plane, go ahead, get my car right now, and just be like, yo, I'm pulling through, bro. Like, let me go ahead and meet y'all. Like, I want to meet y'all so bad, and like, it's unexplainable. Like, if y'all ever see me in public, go ahead and stop me. Like, I just love meeting you guys. I met a couple of you guys before, and man, meeting you guys, it means the world to me, bro. I see you, and this hair looks straight too. Like, the shine, this is week. That was week 4 that we just looked at. Yo, this man swirl. Yo, I've been grinding hard lately, for real. I've been seeing hella progress. Can you rate? Please rate my way. Bro, you getting rated right now, my nigga. That's what you doing. You getting rated right now. That crown, man. That crown is in there. Bruh. Look at that. You got a fork right there, but it's all Gucci. But I can see, like, you is still a beginner, though. You is still a beginner, and you got hella progress. You working on that crown. I can tell. Bro, I'm going to give you a solid 8.5 because you still got some forks that's throwing off the waves a little bit, but you're really working on that crown, and the crown is what makes everything look like it's come together. He said, roast me, bro. If you did some stupid stuff, I'm gonna roast you. Like, there's no doubt about it, bro. Oh, man, you gonna make me feel bad. Like, you a kid, bro. But he's still way looking better than all y'all. Ways looking better than all y'all. Spin on him, my dude. Yo, I think I'm gonna give you a solid 7 because this fork that I'm looking at right there is kind of throwing everything off. You need to hit that, and really your connections is gonna be a lot better. Wolf it out a little bit more because wolfing also helps with connections. Get your comb sessions in. Again, don't comb more than you brush. I have a video out for you, bro. It's, you know, how much should you really be combing. Also another video, how much should you really be brushing, I think. So go ahead and watch that video. It's gonna hopefully help you out too. But I'm thinking about rating you a solid I think 9. Nah. I think we're gonna stick with an 8 because you is spinning for your age, bro. Like, you spinning pretty hard for your age. Bro, screen recording just tweaked on me though. Let me know down in the comments if he's a coarse or a medium because I don't really know because it looks a little hard to tell in this picture. But hey, you spinning, like I said though, you got that fork right there. Make sure you hit that first when you're brushing before you hit anything else, bro. I'm gonna give you a solid 7 because I can see a lot of forks up here where your crown is at. Forks here. You got a lot of forks is what I'm saying. So you really need a lot of brush work, wolfing and combing. He's coming, bro. He got that face like, yo, I'm coming for your female. Like, this is a Mr. Steal Your Girl. Like, Trey Songz sung that song for this nigga right here. They were like, Mr. Steal Your Girl is bad. Look, I'm telling you, like, that nigga got that mean mug like, bitch, I'm about to steal your motherfucking girl right now, bro. Rate my waves. Bro, you better have some dope waves. He got all these exclamation points in here, bro. I'm telling you, your waves better be the most spinning, dude. Because I haven't brought the trophy out this whole entire video. Y'all know I bring the trophy out, but I ain't bring no trophy out because nobody deserved the trophy in this episode. Let's see. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, the haircut look a little. The haircut look pretty nice. I ain't gonna cap. But it was in the dark. I don't know what you want me to rate in the dark. Y'all need boomerangs. What is up with y'all and boomerangs nowadays? Like, y'all look like y'all something wrong with y'all neck. Like, bro, I don't want it. Like, what is this? What is this? It's still in the dark. Okay, I think he sent me the same stuff. Bro, I can't bring the trophy out this episode. Man, I'm upset I ain't bring the trophy out. But, you know what? Your middle part is a little weak. You need to make sure you're hitting that middle part correctly. Wolf a little bit. Comb a little bit. It's pretty much the same stuff. Like, y'all hear the same stuff. It's all like I've been saying through these whole videos. It's just consistency is what really gives you the waves that you really want. Consistent brushing, wolfing, and combing. It's really what's going to give you them waves. I'm going to rate you a solid 8 because the waves on top looking pretty dope. You got some forks, some areas that can need improvement. But there's all of us wavers, we need improvement in some areas. So that's why I give you that, bro. So you know what? Next episode, I'm trying to find some people that got some dope waves because I'm trying to have a little battle. I'm trying to have a little wave battle on this roasting my subscribers' waves. But like I said, this is the end of the video. I'm still a little hoarse as you guys can hear, but it don't matter because you know what? We pushing out consistent videos now every single day. It sometimes might take one day off, you know, just to get my mind ready, get some more creative ideas flowing for y'all. But I'm telling y'all, the videos is coming out for you guys. But hey, that's why don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, because why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below, because you guys already know you guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Wood, and I'm out. Yeah!